I'm taking on the ultimate DIY challenge to fix every home problem myself using some easy hacks you won't want to miss. Welcome back to the Basics Hub. Are you tired of dealing with annoying home repairs? Today we'll tackle 4 common household issues: fixing a running tap, painting walls, hanging wallpaper, and unclogging a sink. Let's get started and save you time and money. When it comes to DIY home repairs, I'm sure many of you can relate to feeling overwhelmed and unsure about where to start. But today, I want to empower you with the confidence to tackle those common household issues that have been nagging you for far too long. We've all been there. Something breaks, and we're faced with the daunting task of deciding whether to hire a professional or attempt to fix it ourselves. And let's be real, hiring someone can be costly, and it's always a hassle to schedule an appointment. On the other hand, trying to fix it ourselves can be intimidating, especially if we're not handy or have had bad experiences in the past. But what if I told you that there are actually many simple and effective solutions to common home problems that can be done with minimal cost and effort? You'd be surprised at how a few simple tools and some basic knowledge can go a long way in saving you money and giving you a sense of accomplishment. Segment 1. Fixing a running tap. First up, a running tap. This is not just annoying, it can waste a lot of water. Let's see how to fix it. You'll need a screwdriver, a wrench, and replacement washers, or O-rings. Start by turning off the water supply. Next, remove the tap handle using a screwdriver. Once you have access, take out the old washer and replace it with a new one. Reassemble the tap and turn the water back on. Voila! No more running tap. This simple fix can save you money on your water bill and prevent further damage. Segment 2. Painting walls. Next, let's brighten up your space with a fresh coat of paint. Painting walls can be a fun DIY project. You'll need paint, brushes, rollers, painter's tape, and drop cloths to protect your floors. Start by preparing the room. Move furniture and lay down drop cloths. Use painter's tape to protect edges. Then apply the paint using a roller for large areas and a brush for corners. Allow it to dry and apply a second coat if necessary. With a little effort, you can transform your space and make it feel new again. Segment 3. Hanging wallpaper. Now let's add some character to your walls by hanging wallpaper. This can be a bit tricky, but I'll guide you through it. You'll need wallpaper, adhesive, a smoothing tool, and a utility knife. Start by measuring and cutting your wallpaper to size. Apply adhesive to the back and position it on the wall. Use the smoothing tool to eliminate bubbles and ensure it's flat. Trim any excess with a utility knife for a clean finish. Hanging wallpaper can add a unique touch to any room, and with practice, you'll become a pro. Finally, let's tackle a clogged sink. This is a common issue, but it's often easy to fix. You'll need a plunger, baking soda, vinegar, and hot water. Start by using a plunger to create suction in the sink. If that doesn't work, pour a cup of baking soda, followed by a cup of vinegar down the drain. Wait a few minutes, then flush with hot water. This should help clear the clog. With these simple methods, you can keep your sink flowing smoothly. Next, let's silence that squeaky door. This one's a classic. All you need is some WD-40 and a few drops of oil. Spray the hinges with WD-40, then add a few drops of oil to the pin. Move the door back and forth a few times, and that squeak should be gone for good. And finally, let's fix those unsightly wall scratches. This one's a game changer. Simply take some toothpaste. Yes, you read that right, toothpaste, and rub it gently over the scratched area. Then use a damp cloth to wipe it clean, and you're left with a smooth, scratch-free wall. One of my personal favorite DIY transformations is this old, worn-out wooden table I rescued from the trash. With some sanding, staining, and a few coats of varnish, I was able to turn it into a beautiful, functional piece of furniture that gets compliments every time I have guests over. The before and after visuals are just incredible, and it's amazing how a little bit of effort and creativity can completely transform a piece of furniture. And the best part? It only cost me a few dollars and some elbow grease. The key takeaway from today's video is that DIY home repairs don't have to be intimidating or complicated. With the right mindset and a few simple tools, you can save money, gain confidence, and even have some fun along the way. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the Basics Hub for more DIY tips and tricks. What home repair challenges have you faced? Let us know in the comments below.